They're passing out energy drinks, BB. Smoothies.
Use one of those up here.
Yeah. Nate, come on, man. I think he put something gross in there, and Sherrills is not buying it. Look at Glenn Sherlock on the left there. Once you put in those things, keep that away from me. Goldie and Cliff Pennington having a round, though. 0-2 on Tomas. I hope it's not one of those kale shakes. You know, one of those Hunter Pence deals. Oh, the way he hits, that might work out.
Blender drinks a pina colada would be pretty good right now. Nate telling Ken Crenshaw, I can't believe I got him to drink that stuff.
You win the bet. Called strike 3. So here's El Nino, who will hit for himself. Diamondbacks out of bench players. Nate's still looking to sell those smoothies.